Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to announce that I am participating in Jamie's, who's Poetspice here on YouTube's Gingerbread Christmas Collaboration 2020 for the month of September, and we'll be making Christmas projects every Monday at 10 a.m. I will have everybody's links, all the fabulous collaborators down below, so go and check them out. I will be doing a giveaway at the end of this month, and hopefully you guys will join in and comment. And just like I did with my last one, I'll be doing a random giveaway. So this month, or this project, I made some slim cards using Call Me Crafty Owl's layout, and this is it's for the month of September. And I love this because she gives you all the measurements, all the products you'll need. You could use anything you want. You can embellishment, you can, change it up if you want. She does have some alternatives, which is really nice to have. But for me, I really enjoy how she has all of the cuts and the pattern papers. It's just so nicely laid out and easy to follow. I used this paper pad from my stash, and I got this at Michael's last year, and I wanted to use it because I love the cranberry and green color. It's a non-traditional combo, and it has a little bit of gold in it, which is really pretty. So I used that. I used these two stamps from my stash. And these are really simple cards. I really didn't do too much to it. I used an old Stampin' Up! Color. It's Bravo Burgundy. It's probably no longer available, but I have the complete sets of Stampin' Up! Ink pads, and I need to use them. So here are my cards. I really love how these turned out. I love the two patterns I picked out. I did add a border around the center piece. You don't have to, but I did because I wanted like a color contrast between the patterns I picked. So I did that one. And then I did this one. And I just switched up the patterns. And then here are the little gingies and the sentiment. So very quick and easy cards, guys. I mean, you can get 6 done really quickly. This one I kind of inked up because I made a boo-boo. And but I love how simple and easy these cards are to make, and and they're fun. And I want to do another one that's like this, but that'll be in another video. So I want to thank everybody for joining me today, and I'll have everybody's links down below, so go and check each one of the collaborators. I'm sure they're going to be doing something fabulous. So thanks everyone for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks everyone.